how to make money on Freelancer as a data science consultant. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the business owners or the visitors of this platform. So for example, if I was a business owner or a visitor of this platform, coming to here to find a data science consultant to hire him for a job or a project, I will just go to hire freelancers in here. Then I'm going to go to skills categories to search for the particular skill I'm looking for. And here, let's give it some time to load. And this is where we have the categories. We have the websites, IT and software category. Let's search for the data category. Let's scroll down. Writing and content category, design. And here it is, data entry category. So let's search for the data science. We have the D is in here, data delivery, entry, scraping, design. So I think we can go with data analytics or data architecture or cleansing. It's close to data science. So let's go to data in analytics. And here you can see that you can hire expert data analytics experts for any job, and by scrolling down you will be able to see their profiles. Let's click on see more data analytics experts, and here this is their profiles. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a profile of your own like those people. So for example, let's check this man's profile. The profile is like where you're going to, is like your shop. It's where you're going to sell yourself to the clients. So I'm going to show you how you can make your shop as likable as possible to get as many clients as possible. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how you can add a cover photo to your profile, how you can add a profile picture as well. Then I'm going to show you how you can add the description. And keep in mind guys, the description is very important. It's like where you're going to give your pitch to the client. It's where you're going to see to answer the question of why choose me instead of the others. So here, make sure to have a great description. Then I'm going to show you how you can add your hourly rate, how to have all of these verifications in check. They're very important. When a client sees that you have all of them in check, it gives him a sense of professionalism. Then I'm also going to show you how you can add your portfolio to the profile as well. So let's go back to the main page. Let's close this one and let's click on this logo in here to show you how you can start creating your profile. So here, click on earn money freelancing. Then you will proceed to fill in the usual information, your first name, last name, email and password. Then click on join freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to enter my username and my password. Then click on login. And here give it a few seconds and you will be redirected to your dashboard where you can control everything about your profile. So here, let's start with this button in your top right where you can control everything about your account, starting with viewing your profile or changing anything about it. Then the membership. Then you come to the account analytics. Then the bid insights and the settings. And when it comes to the finances, you can check your balance. You can add funds, withdraw funds, check your transaction history, your financial dashboard, and your payment sharing. And here you can also head to the support if you've encountered any problems, or you can invite friends, or you can even log out from the platform. So let's go up to the account in here, click on view profile. And as you can see, our profile looks pretty empty. We still have a lot of adjustments to make in here. So let's start by clicking on edit profile. And the first thing you will need to do is to verify your email. As you can see, email verification required. After that, you proceed to enter in your profile picture. It's important too, there is no client who would agree to work with a freelancer who doesn't even have a profile picture. Then you upload a cover photo as well. Then you move on to the verifications. And make sure to join the top or the elite group of the best freelancers. Then verify your identity through a government issued ID check and a proof of address. Verify your payment method as well, and verify your phone number, the email, we've talked about it before. And if you have a Facebook account, make sure to connect it to the platform. Then you proceed to enter in your hourly rate, then enter your professional headline. You can just enter something like a data science consultant, and if you win any awards on that, you can enter award-winning data science consultant or something like that. Then you proceed to the summary. It's where you're going to talk a little bit in depth about yourself, your skills, and it's where you're going to throw your pitch deck to the client to choose you amongst the others or instead of the others. Then you proceed to enter in your top skills in here. So let's go and remove these 2 skills. By the way, you can add up to 20 skills. So that's good for someone who has a lot of skills. Data science consultant, let's remove consultant. So here we have data science. Let's choose that, and let's remove science. And here we have data entry. For example, you can do all of these jobs, data processing. So you can do any job about data, data mining, data analysis, data collection, data analytics, data delivery, data visualization. And when you're done with choosing all of your skills, then you scroll down and click on save to save those adjustments. And then you go to browse, click on projects. Then you will be able to see all of the posted jobs that you can apply for. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.